Best Hatchbacks Car for 2025 to 2024 Toyota Corolla. The 2024 Toyota Corolla has been named the best hatchback car for 2025, thanks to its blend of reliability, versatility, and advanced features. As a perennial favorite in the compact car segment, the Corolla continues to impress with its practicality and modern upgrades, making it an ideal choice for drivers seeking a well-rounded vehicle. Impressive performance and efficiency. The 2024 Corolla hatchback is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 169 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT), providing a smooth and efficient driving experience. With fuel efficiency reaching up to 32 mpg in the city and 42 mpg on the highway, the Corolla hatchback is not only economical but also an excellent option for both city commuting and long-distance travel. The Corolla's handling is responsive and composed, making it easy to navigate urban environments and enjoy a spirited drive on open roads. The car's compact size and precise steering contribute to its agility, while the well-tuned suspension ensures a comfortable ride across various surfaces. Modern design and practicality. The 2024 Corolla hatchback features a sleek, contemporary design with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that give it a sporty and refined appearance. Inside, the cabin is spacious and thoughtfully designed, offering comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers and a versatile cargo area. With 23 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and up to 40 cubic feet with the seats folded down, the Corolla hatchback provides ample room for luggage, groceries, or sports gear. Advanced technology and safety features. Toyota has equipped the 2024 Corolla with a range of modern technology features. The standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the Corolla hatchback comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features that includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Conclusion. The 2024 Toyota Corolla stands out as the best hatchback car for 2025 due to its exceptional blend of performance, efficiency, and practicality. With its modern design, advanced technology, and strong safety features, the Corolla hatchback continues to be a top choice for drivers seeking a reliable and versatile compact car.